we're doing it. We're making key lime pie. Now, I have had a following for my key lime pie for at least 5 years. And this is exactly how I make it. You need 3 cans of sweetened condensed milk. Throw those into a bowl. This is more of like a set custard pie. It is simple, it is delicious, and I'm not even a big key lime person. It's one of my husband's favorite pies, and I do have people who ask for it. People will eat it year round here at the bakery. I make key lime pie in January, okay? Now, in January, it's made with lime juice, not key lime, because they're very expensive and not in season. But any lime juice is fine. It is so creamy. It like melts in your mouth, if that's possible for a pie. Okay. Now we're gonna zest 2 limes, because I think you need the lime zest. That gives it so much flavor, freshness. Okay. 1 cup of sour cream. Now this is going to make enough for this will be a deep dish pie. So if you don't have a pie pan that's as deep as the ones that I use, because this will fill it to the top, you might have some left over, but you probably don't want to half it. This is also a great filling. You could make key lime pie bars. Take like an 8x8 or a 9x13, graham cracker crust, do a key lime pie bar as well. Alright, we're going to do a little bit more. And we're going to whisk these things together before our final ingredient. That's right, final ingredient, which is of course the lime. You need 1.5 cups of lime juice. Bottled lime juice is fine. I used to juice all my own limes. It takes so many bags and so much time. So I did go to bottle for this because I found a good bottled one. But when I was making like one at home, yep, juiced every lime. I don't know, you get more out of lemons, and I feel like you need less, so for things with lemon, it doesn't bother me to do it, but little teeny tiny. Gently whisk this all together. Now, if you want to put some food coloring in it, you can, but key lime pie is not green. It's not. Now, that's something that restaurants and diners used to do, so they had an easier time telling everything apart. Everyone expects key lime pie to be green. They also had like coconut cream, they had cheesecakes, they had other custards, like egg custard. They were all creamy and they were all white, but they all tasted very different. Putting a couple drops of food coloring was an easy way to make it stick out so that you knew that that was lime. That's what people have come to expect. I will say, I understand where they were coming from, because it does look like a lot of my cheesecakes and other things that I offer. So I do put 2 drops of food gel just to tint it green, but not so it's like, you know, ectoplasm colored. And that also signifies to the customer, is that key lime pie? It's funny the things that we like get used to that were just done out of necessity. Okay. Graham cracker crust, baked. It's simple. Key lime pie filling. Here we go, going in. It just slides right in. Like I said, this is going to fill my deep dish pie pan to the top. which is what I like, because when you get a slice of key lime pie, I want you to get a slice, okay? I'm just going to use spatula to level out the top. I will say this is one that, like, it bakes as it is, so if you leave it kind of wrinkly, it's going to bake kind of wrinkly. One of my favorite creators on TikTok. To the what? Now, I always put this on a baking sheet and then in the oven, because it is a lot to try to lift out with your oven mitts. It's very full. You don't want to touch the sides. 350, 12 minutes. You should see tiny bubbles around the outside. Maybe a teensy bit of browning, but as soon as you see that on the outside, pull it out. Remember, there's no eggs in this or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. 10 to 12 minutes. Chill it down, 6 hours. Slice it. Every slice will be perfection. That custard's going to hold together perfectly, and it is going to be tart and delicious, and people will be asking you for the recipe. You're welcome.